Hello everybody! I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy cup cozy, mainly using the third loop half double crochet. It's really nice because it's stretchy. We only have to increase one time and it's super quick. So you want to use a K hook or a 6.5mm hook, and I like to use like a thick and quick type yarn, something a little thicker. So leave yourself a little tail. And we're going to chain 20. Once you've chained 20, you're going to join that together with a slip stitch, being careful not to twist your chain, like so. And then chain 1. For every row in this pattern, we're only going to chain 1 at the beginning. And we are going to just half double crochet around. I should show you how to do that. So you yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. So do that in each stitch around. Once you've done 20 stitches, you're going to join your row with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And now we're going to do third loop half doubles. So we chain 1, yarn over, and we would normally go through this V right here, but for third loop, we are going to go in this little loop in the back. So you see it, there's your next stitch, and your next, and your next. There's where you normally go, there's where you go for a third loop. So pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 just like you're doing a regular half double crochet. Just inserting the hook into the loop behind where we usually go. So you're going to do these third loop half doubles all the way around, and you're going to do 3 rows of this. Remember to join each row with the slip stitch, and remember to chain 1 at the beginning of each row. So 3 rows of the half double in the third loop. We're going to continue with our third loop half doubles around, but we're going to increase by 1 within the first stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through all 3, yarn over into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over through all 3. And you're going to just continue doing the third loop half double all the way around, joining with a slip stitch and chaining 1. We're going to do this row and then 2 more rows. So you're going to do 3 rows total right now. After that last row, you guys should have a total of 7 rows, and you should end with 21 stitches. So join together with a slip stitch like we always do. Cut your yarn and then pull it through. And now we're just going to weave in the ends. Once you've woven in your ends, you can turn this around, and then you have a pretty neat looking, very quick and easy cup cozy. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.